you know the teeth. So these two are central incisors, and just behind central incisor you can see over here there is a depression. This is called as incisive fossa. Now obviously above there lies nasal cavity. So this is a communication between the oral cavity over here and nasal cavity above. Now within the wall of incisive fossa there lies two incisive foramina. Let me show you by throwing a light. So right now you can see just a single incisive fossa, but if I throw light from the nasal cavity you will clearly appreciate two incisive foramina. Can you see it? Okay, within the incisive fossa you will see two incisive foramina. Now as I mentioned, it's a connection between nasal cavity and oral cavity. So from the oral cavity the greater palatine vessels will traverse along the hard palate and they will enter inside the nasal cavity, and similarly from the nasal cavity terminal portion of nasopalatine nerve will pass through this foramina and they will enter inside the oral cavity. Let me show you the same in the separate bone. So these two are maxilla, and if I join together, actually the palatine bones are also attached along with, so entire hard palate will be formed. And once I join these together you can now make out formation of incisive fossa over here, and within the wall of incisive fossa you can appreciate the incisive foramina. The same you can appreciate over here. This is a wall of incisive foramina, and here you can see opening of the incisive foramina. Can you see this over here?